What is up, everybody, and happy Friday. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw a couple weeks ago that I was in Atlantis, Bahamas. And of course, I brought some drones with me. Today's flight is going to be from the iFlight Green Hornet. Obviously, this drone is not green. I went ahead and 3D printed some red and gold ducks, as well as a red Go2 mount, and some little feet on it in red TPU. So this is now the Red Hornet. But anyway, so this flight is from that drone with the Insta360 Go2. We woke up super early this day. It was the day we were leaving. The rest of the week it was very windy and very difficult to fly any FPV style drones. I brought the DJI Mavic Air with me, as well as the Happy Model Mob 6 HD. And I'm going to put some of that footage in some future videos. Today I'm just going to keep it short, and this is a quick little 3-minute one-take flight around the pool at the Cove. So enjoy.